A C arithmetic statement could be of three types. These types are as follows. Type A, integer mode arithmetic statement. This is an arithmetic statement in which all operands are either integer variables or integer constants. So arithmetic statements have several types. So first type is integer mode arithmetic statement. This is an arithmetic statement in which all operands are either integer variable or constant. First example, int I, king, Isaac, note it. So this is an arithmetic statement in which all operands are either integer variable or integer constants. So I is equal to I plus 1, king Isaac into 23 plus note it minus 7689. So either they are either integer variable or integer constants. Second type is type B, real mode arithmetic statement. This is an arithmetic statement in which all, so second type is real mode arithmetic statement. Operands are either real constants or real variables. Example, float, qb, antic, si, prin, annoy, roi. qb is equal to antic plus 23.123 divided by 4.5 into 0. So this is basically in this type of statement, operands are either real constants or real variables. So float is used in this type. Now mixed mode arithmetic statement. This is an arithmetic statement in which some of operands are integers and some operands are real. So it has a mixed type of statement. So examples of this statement. Example, float si, prin, annoy, roi, avg. int abc num si, print annoy roi divided by 100.0. avg is equal to a plus b plus c plus num divided by 4. It is very important to understand how the execution of an arithmetic statement takes place. So how execution of this arithmetic statement takes place. So here we are understanding how execution of an arithmetic statement is taking place. Firstly, right hand side is evaluated using constants and numerical values stored in the variable names. So first right hand side is evaluated using constants and values stored in variable. So this value is then assigned to variable on left hand side. So first execution is performed on right hand side and then it is assigned on left hand side. For example, in this statement, average is equal to a plus b plus c plus num divided by 4. So this value on the right hand side is assigned as average, which is on left hand side. So the places in, so the values in right hand side are evaluated first. Though arithmetic instructions look simple to use, one often commits mistake in writing them. So arithmetic instructions look simple to use, but one often commits mistake in writing them. Let us take closer look at these statements. Note these following points carefully. So these arithmetic instructions are simple, but user can commit mistakes in while using them. So these are a few points. Point A, C allows only one variable on left hand side of is equal to, that is on left hand side there should be only one variable, that is z is equal to k into 1 is legal, but k into 1 is equal to z is illegal. That means only on left hand side only one variable is allowed, but on the right hand side more than one variable is allowed. So this is rule or point number A.